It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback, like this.
Steve was very professional and quick. He spent a lot of time trying to figure out what I needed, then went and did it.
We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.